So na guys, ating finish, not yet finished. Yeah, so what you can see here now is yung so ito yung mga goldfish na natira guys. So they're still up for sale. So whoever wants. Good day once again guys, it's Don again of Omega Aquatics. So today, it's another beautiful day. So ngayon, as you can see behind me, gumawa ko ng isang laminated sack or trapal pond na tinatawag namin. So it's made with laminated sack and also some wood, right? So if you don't have enough budget to build a concrete pond, so pwede nyo gamitin yung kahoy tsaka yung laminated sack, right? So you could be able to build a pond or an enclosure. So I have already shown you as well how to make a stand and at the same time yung mga ref ponds natin. But also making this kind of tank will help you to maximize your space. So yung plan ko dito is I'll be expanding. Right? So lalagay tayo dito ng laminated sack as well to cover the place because there's a lot of algae growing if masisinaga ng araw. So like what we have to do guys is we will cover this, right? And then maybe we'll make a betta barracks here and at the same time our gold fish grow out will be here as well. Right? So I'll show you how did I made that trapal pond. Have done here guys is yung pinaka base niya yung apat tatayo yun dito yan apat yan tapos we will add this one as a brace. This is the one that we're going to hold the plywood yan para hindi bumigay yung ating trapal pond. So kulang ko na lang is I'll try to fix mo na to tapos lagay natin yung plywood and then yung pahaba na na braces yun yung gagawin natin puputulin natin, right? So maybe tomorrow morning I will transfer or maybe the next day I need to stock the water first. So I'll be transferring our goldfish fry our blackmore so that we could grow them very well in here. Yeah, so what you can see here now is yung sa itaas ng mga goldfish fry. Ewan ko ba bakit tinatawag pa rin na goldfish yung blackmore kasi black yun, hindi yun gold. Actually yeah, they're a family of goldfish. Iniba lang yung pangalan nila kasi based on their color. Coloring. And at the same time guys, I'll be showing you the betta fry that I had here. So they're more than 1 month now. At mga goldfish fry din natin yung mga Moor or and Calico Moor or Panda Moor that we have bred. So maybe the following month, because I'm quite busy applying for a job again, we will do the expansion at the same time. I'll be showing you how to breed our Oranda goldfish. Okay? So as you can see here guys, nilipat ko na yung iba kong mga betta fry, yung mga shooters. Kasi na-outgrow na nila yung mga kapatid nila. And most probably, kainin nila yon. So they will be a good source of food for their brothers or sisters na malalaki. So as you can see here, I have placed them separately on a bigger ref pond. At the same time, dito rin na mga natira dito. So as you can see, I have removed some of them. So yung iba na malaki na rin. Right. I'll just get a net. So makita natin yung mga kulay nila. Nice. So try natin sibutin yung iba. So ang dami nila guys, no? And I'll be teaching you as well, or showing you guys kung paano ganito karami yung mga nabibreed natin. So these are out of galaxy pair natin. So molting stage pa rin sila. Maybe I'll be jarring them sa susunod, right? So ang dami nila, right? And dito was let me remove this. So these are Galaxy Koi and Nemo as well. Yung Nemo natin may scaling na pattern sa head. So as you can see at the mga fry nila ay meron din. Nga dito sa isa. Okay. Ang dami na guys. I think roughly estimated around 1,000 plus siguro. Nandun pa sa labas yung mga yung iba nasa aquarium din. Kasi I need to separate them para lumaki naman sila. And these are the other brothers and sisters na mga betta fry natin. And so they're going so fast. I've been feeding them commercial feeds. At the same time, manguha rin kami ng Daphnia. Sige, sa susunod na video, pakikita ko sa inyo how we catch some Daphnia. So, tingnan mga kaibigan. Look at them, guys. They're really very beautiful now. Still molting. So ito yung mga goldfish na natira guys. So they're still up for sale. So whoever wants to purchase this goldfish, it comes from a very famous line, William D lines. So as you can see, they're good, in good shape, good quality guys. Yung iba na nakikita kong goldfish dito, at this age wala pang tumutubo na wen. So I'm not pretty sure if ano yung diet nila. Kasi yung wen, yung bukol ng tumutubo, parang utak na tumutubo sa goldfish ay tinatawag nating wen. Right? Sa flower horn, it's called cook. But for goldfish, it's called wen. Right? So as you can see, they are really hungry. So maybe I'll be feeding them. At the same time guys, ito po yung update ng goldfish fry natin, yung mga black moor. So yung iba medyo nagkakakulay na. And yung iba namatay, I'm not really sure. But I'm not really regularly changing the water kasi mabilis sila ma-water shock. Okay. So nilipat ko lang yung yung dito. Kakalipat ko lang because they come from this tank as well. So here I just have divided them into different groups. Oh, may shooter na sa likod nandun. Okay. Maybe I'll be cleaning this one out. Ang dami nilang dumi sa ilalim. So not really regularly. Pag regular naman na changes, mga 10% lang. So the water won't be very polluted. Tsaka hindi ma-water shock yung mga isda natin. Thank you so much guys for watching, and that's all we could share to you today. So please don't forget to hit subscribe and also click that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and continue to support our channel. We're still growing, and our promotion is still ongoing right now. So if you want to acquire some fishes from us, or for the price that we give to our subscribers, so you can still check our videos, like and share, and also subscribe to this channel. So that's it for today. Peace out.